When it comes to designing the KATA car mat, our intentions were to provide the highest level of protection to the car floor while also making the car interior look unique to each driver. This has been our guiding design principle, and we will remain committed to it in the foreseeable future.
Our designing team has worked relentlessly to create car mats that customers have never expected. A cluster of floating balls arranged on the surface of KATAMats arouse the feeling of consistency and integrity. Not just that, we also have a version that boasts larger pattern, perfect to express individual. Meanwhile, our coil version, which features tangled PVC fiber, has shown its distinctness and practicality at the same time. Every day, we try to provide customers various options, making the buying experience more interesting for our customer. Looking at the edges, each stitching is woven precisely by the hands of our craftsmanship, ensuring an exotic look for the car mat and the vehicle itself. With heat brush floor mat, they feature a form-fit design, meaning each line is perfectly formed to the detailed contours of each model.
In making the KATA mat, we treat every step as if it's the most important one. And in the first step, we chose to use high-quality PVC, which has been certified as safe by SGS Europe for consumers' health, meaning that it does not have any traces of harmful chemicals like lead, cadmium, or mercury. Each set of KATA mats is individually designed. This starts by recording the dimensions of the car floor, which are then placed into a 2D drawing. This 2D drawing will then be redrawn into a 3D AutoCAD design, and this AutoCAD design will be the basis for how the CNC cutting machines will cut the KATA car mat. Thanks to the use of softening machines, customers can instantly feel the flexibility of the KATA car mat, making it easy to install in the car. Other than that, our machines are imported from highly industrialized countries such as Germany and Japan in order to meet international standardization.
Making KATA mats, we truly believe that when craftsmanship combined well with technology, we can create car mats that are exquisite and extraordinary.